The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I am moving, and it is kind of bittersweet for me because this garage is where I started my YouTube channel, and this is where I've done tons of content and I've made a lot of friends along the way. I really appreciate you guys, and I have had a lot of fun in here, and it is kind of sad for me. It's a little bit sad, but I am happy that I will continue my mining journey. I'm going to be moving to a bigger garage, but it is going to look a little different. I'm going to have to do things differently. This is a one-car garage, and my electric rate is not that great, unfortunately. So I do have some rigs at Terra Hosting right now. I've got a KS5L and a KS3M that I'm continuing to run for now. And then I've got two KS5Ls that were right here. You guys might have seen some of my other content. I had two KS5Ls running right here. The heat was exhausting straight out that window, but I cannot run them at the new place with the electric rate as it is. I talked to the boys over at Terra, and I'm gonna send my rigs over to them. So I've got three KS5Ls over there and a KS3M. So that's 42 terahash of Kaspa mining power that will be at a better rate than my new location. So I'm going to have to be very efficient and very mindful of what I run at this new place. So that might be good for you guys if you are running at a higher electric rate like I will be. Then you guys might want to continue to follow my channel or subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm going to have to lean things out a little bit and get more creative. When I was mining in this garage, mining Kaspa full on, the electric rate didn't quite matter as much. I just wanted to mine as much Kaspa as I could, as fast as I could, and continue to make content for you guys. For now, I have to switch gears. The KS1, my OG KS1, you guys might have seen, I did a video. That OG KS1 died. I might try to revive it. I still haven't had the chance to. Moving is very stressful and time consuming. So we'll see what happens with the KS1. It's really hard for me to let go of that OG KS1. The machine you see up top is a KS3M, and that one has hash boards that are just jacked. I don't think there's a point in fixing it at this point. I don't like letting these miners just not run, but at this point, with my high electric rate and having the hash board screwed up, like putting money into fixing the hash boards on that one, and then shipping it off to get hosted, it just might not be worth it at the moment. So you have to kind of consider those things when you're mining. If your ASICs aren't very profitable, it's really hard to want to run them. But you guys know my channel. If you've seen me before, I just keep stacking, and I just keep trying to build and continue to make as much crypto, stack as much crypto as I can before the bull run.
Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a website where I buy crypto mining equipment. They have all kinds of different brands, and the price you see on their website is the price shipped to your door. So check out Crypto Miner Bros and use discount code GREATER for $70 off your order. Link is in the description. Thanks for listening. Now back to your video.
It's supposed to be Uptober, but it does not feel very Uptobery at this moment. Especially with Kaspa. You guys might have seen Kaspa's dropped to 12 cents. So it's really hard when you've seen the all-time high of Kaspa at 20 something cents. Then you feel a little bit better about running some of these less efficient machines. But at 12 cents, it's like a psychological thing. You don't want to run at a negative. But I'm still stacking Kaspa. I'm still stacking Radiant. I'm still stacking a Lithium. I've got a GPU rig running at Terra that is stacking me some Dynax right now. So I am continuing to run GPUs, FPGAs, and ASICs. The FPGAs are a little bit more tricky. I was running Graham on my Osprey E300. This might be one of the last videos that you see in this garage because I have to move on, and it'll be hopefully better. I'll reorganize some things. I'll make things a little bit more efficient, might be a little bit more relatable for people like that are trying to home mine. I'll have the AL2 light, the KS2 light. Those are home miners that I am very excited to get and start faffling with. And you guys know I've got like so many KS0 Ultras and KS0 Pros and all that stuff. I'll do some profitability videos on the new electric rate that I'll have, and I kind of have to see what my bill looks like to like really calculate it out. My electric rate is very strange the way it works. If I hit a certain amount of wattage, instead of the price going down, they charge me more. So I have to be careful with what I'm doing. So anyway, sorry, this is like a rambly, bloggy video. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm moving and I've got some things going on that are pretty exciting, but also slowing me down with making content. One thing, I'm gonna show you guys my other location. You guys have seen me do videos where I kind of kick the door open and you never probably see any of these other mining locations, but I've got 2 other spots. I'll just show you real quick one of them. So I've got 3 locations like this that are just small garages. And this is where I've got some more equipment running. It's mostly, don't laugh when you see the shelf. It's jacked. It got melted. I don't like running plastic shelves, but you can see it's kind of like dipping in the middle. But anyway, yeah, I've got 4 KS0 Ultras at the bottom here, overclocked. And I've got RX 6800 open air rig running on NeurAI right now. And I might switch that one around. It's kind of these power hungry algorithms are very tough to want to run. And then another KS0 Pro, I believe. It's hard to keep track of them all. And then I've got an OG, like a second batch KS0 and a KS0 Pro running on top. So it's kind of a mess, but this is another spot that I run some mining equipment, mostly smaller home miners and GPU mining. I've got all of my boxes for these set up here, ready to go, so I can pack them up real quick when it's time to move these. I have another location, but it's further away, so I can't really show you, but I've got an X12 Ultra with some 370s in it, my Zealous, and I've got a server case that has like 8 3070s in it, running on Zealous also, and then I think I have like I have one KS0 Pro at the other location that's overclocked to like, I think like 260 gigahash or something like that. And so anyway, I just figured I'd give you like a sneak peek of the other location. So anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Like, I just wanted to show you what I've got going on. Don't make fun of my wiring, it's all a mess, I know. I've got a lot to do to try and organize and get everything like relocated. So anyway, that's it for this video. Keep an eye on the channel. I'll be doing different style videos where I'm trying to focus more on efficiency and still have some fun with it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.